So this is a short video to show you how to use the layer editor in Maya. The layer editor is an extremely useful tool that allows you, much like the layer editor in Photoshop, to turn layers on and off, hide things when you don't need to see them, and generally manage your viewport. So let's start by creating a layer. So I'm going to go down here to Layers and click on Create Empty Layer. And Layer 1 isn't a good name, so I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to call this Set Layer. You don't want to have spaces in Maya. Maya doesn't like spaces. So you can either use underscores or do what I've done here, which is called camel casing, where the second word is has a capital letter at the start. So let's go ahead and select the background. I'm going to shift select the walls and the floor. And I'm going to go ahead, and that's when I say shift select, I mean I'm holding down the shift key with my left hand while I'm selecting the objects with my mouse. And remember, we need to have select surface objects turned on for this kind of selection to work. Then down here under set layer, I go right click, add selected objects. Now that object, those selected objects have now been added to the set layer, and we can show this by turning off the visibility there, and now they'll disappear. So let's create another layer. So we go Layers, Create Empty Layer. I'm going to double click on that, and I'm call that Props Layer, like that. Then I'm going to select the prop, which in this case is the table. I'm going to go right click, add selected objects, and turn that off. So now we can turn on the elements individually or all together, or we can have them all off so that we can do something new, or have them all on, whatever we want. So you'll see that the layer editor is a really useful tool. It helps you manage your workflow in Maya, and you'll be using it a lot in the course of your studies.